Okay, welcome. And in order to discover the answer to this, what is the area of the figure shown, we have to separate this into two figures. And we're going to have a rectangle with the area of 60 times 30, because a rectangle area is always length times width. So we're going to discover what 60 times 30 is, and we're going to end up with 1800. And then we have to remember that the area of a triangle is area equals 1/2 of the base times the height. And we can tell that from here to here is 10 centimeters, and from here to here must be 20, because altogether we have 30, so that means this is 20. And then from here to here is 60, so from here to here is 60, and altogether we have 100, so this must be 40. So we're going to say 1/2 of 40 times 20, and 1/2 of 40 is 20, and 20 times 20, 2 times 2 is 4, and then we're going to take each of these zeros, but then we have to take 1800 and add it to 400, because we need the area for the entire figure, which is both of these added together, and we end up with 2200. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.